So last week, Kling released their new Elements feature, which is a direct competitor with Pika's Scene Ingredients. In a nutshell, the feature allows users to upload multiple images, which consist of a character, an object, or a setting, which then combines them into a small video. So in this video, we are going to see how good Kling Elements is and how it stacks up against its competitors. First, let's have a look at some community posts. On Mayo King, you can see the 3 images there that he used. And look at that. The consistency of that jacket is very accurate. Then we've got Mayo King again, and he's doing 2 characters as well. And look how good the results came out. This one's nearly perfect. All right, now we got a few examples here from Travis. You got this nice ice lady with her jacket. Look at the consistency on that bag. This one is unreal. And then we got Back to the Future shoes. I love this one. Now I want to show you guys this next one from Pierrick, which you can see there the 3 images that were used at the top, but he seems to have done multiple shots using the same character. So look at this. I mean, look at the characters just driving out now as well. Wow. This one is extremely powerful. I'm actually shocked at how good this one came out. Ooh, very nice. Now, before we continue, let's talk about pricing, which is actually quite interesting. Now, if you select the $37 Pro plan, you get 3,000 credits, and that will get you 85 Kling element generations, which is quite good in comparison to Pika's Pro plan, which only gets you about 38 scene ingredient generations. All right, let me show you guys how to get there. So we want to go to 1.6. We want to click image to video, and then you'll see there's 3 options and you can select elements. Now, just like Pika, Elements allows you to upload up to 4 images. So let's do an example together. Now, when I'm generating the image of a character, I always do it in portrait mode, and I always do the background in white. Now for objects, I always do it in 1 by 1, and I always make sure that the background is also white. And for the setting image, I always do it in landscape. Does this make the generation quality better that I've done it like this? Honestly, I actually have no idea. It just sort of made sense to me, but let me know in the comment section below if it does. Now, I also included a prompt to go with the generation. The pirate captain unrolls the treasure map, scanning it carefully. A gust of wind threatens to blow it away, but they hold it steady, and eyes narrowing as they spot the marked location. All right, let's click the generation to see how it came out. All right. You know what? Not bad. Now have a look at the map. I can't actually believe that it actually brought up the details of the actual map itself, and that's the boat itself. So this generation is actually 10 out of 10. It's one of the best ones I've done. Now I'm going to show you guys some examples where I use 4 images and a prompt. I'll be honest with you guys, Kling actually struggled quite a bit when it came to 4 images. Now let's have a look at examples where we use 3 images and 1 prompt. Now the results weren't perfect, but you could see that it's much better than 4 images. Finally, let's have a look at some examples where we used 2 images and we used 1 prompt. As you can see there, the model is way more consistent when you're only using 2 images. Now let's see how it stacks up against Pika's Scene Ingredients. Let me know in the comment section below, who do you think won that one? Now let's do a text to video scene generation example using one image and a prompt between Minimax, Kling, and Pika. Let me know in the comments below, who do you think won that one? What are my final thoughts on Kling elements? Now, from a value perspective, you get way more generations selecting Kling as opposed to selecting Pika's Pro plan. This is important because you want to give yourself a buffer for trial and error to establish what the model likes. Now, I actually can't believe that I'm saying this, but when it comes to 3 or 4 images, I'd say that you actually get better results using Pika. And I know some of you guys may disagree with this, but go have a look, go check out my videos where I'm using it on Pika and make up your own mind. Now, can this be used to generate scenes? Yes, it can. Would I rather use this feature instead of Kling's custom face model feature? Well, this lets you generate multiple characters as opposed to the custom face model where you can only select one trained model. Is this a win for Kling? I think it is, because they were able to release this feature to stop people from going to Pika and Halo. So I think they actually did a very smart move here. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. I will see you all in the next one. Peace.